back to my channel, and welcome back to the Montero Kids. He's eating some cotton candy. So, today we're gonna make some. Thanks, dude. I had to reach out my arm so he wouldn't throw it. You need to do that, right? So we got some clear glue right here. Oh, I'm gonna tell you guys. My brother Lucas is over here. Sometimes the video he's in it, and sometimes he's not. Look how small he is, guys.
I know. Show them how I duck.
Oh no.
Show them how I duck.
Uh-oh, guys, he disappeared. That's a bad thing.
Psych. I'm so small.
Okay, so let's go start the video. Yo.
Hey.
Whoa. Whoa. Seriously, we need to get better at this teleportation, guys. So this one. Uh-oh. Yay. Uh-oh. What the heck is this thingamabobber? Yay! Oh shoot, it's already coming. So, we're gonna pour some in here. So let's pour some in. I think that's enough. I think that's enough. A little bit too much, but okay. Oh shoot. Okay. Look at the new napkin.
Okay. Here.
Never mind, I got a napkin. I don't know how people just perfectly pour glue without spilling it. I can't.
Easy. I can do it.
So we're gonna put that glue over there. Lucas, what glue would you like?
Blah, blah, blah. Okay.
So, first thing we're gonna do, wait. I'm actually gonna put just a tiny bit of this glue in it, or glitter glue. We're not putting it on it, because that one's gonna be bad.
Yeah, we did this in the. We actually did this like in the zero video. We did this in the zero video.
What zero video?
Remember we're outside?
Oh yes, we went outside. We didn't make a YouTube video. We should have.
Well, it's a zero YouTuber.
So it's very bad when you mix clear glue with glow in the dark glue. I hate it. It turns out I don't like it at all. First of all, it looks ugly. So we're actually gonna put a little bit of that. What the heck are you doing? I said I'm already in charge of this side. I'm in charge of glue. So, oh my gosh, I have some more glue. What the heck?
I have a little bit. You have a lot.
What do you mean?
No.
I barely even have more than me. Stop, Lucas. I already told you. Don't use me.
No, you just messed up the video.
So now that we got this in, I'm gonna put some of these blue beads in it.
Oh, I'm gonna put some of the gold bead, but I don't know where it is. So
Don't worry, I got you. I already know. I already told you. I'm in charge of this part.
no.
The glitter and the beads. And you want the glitter? You want the glitter? The beads? What do you want? Glitter or the beads? The beads. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Let me do it.
Okay, put it in.
I hate you. I hate you. Okay, now we have to mix up.
Uh-oh. What did you throw? You need that. Go get it. just gonna put this in already for you, but you're not gonna mix it. You have to mix it with your hands. That's the challenge. I think it might dye your hands though.
I hate it. I hate you.
Well, I hate you too. Okay, that's it. Oh, shoot. You know what, guys? Lucas is gonna have to mix with his hands.
I hate it.
I
hate you.
Oh, he's gonna die.
I hate you.
You don't have to.
You have to do
I
it
do
too.
You have to do it with your hands. Go. Put it in.
No.
Maybe one finger. Just one finger. Just here. I'll do it too to mine because I have a lot of red.
No, let me.
Put it right there. Only one finger. No, I don't want it there. I want it over there. I want it over there.
The washing hands before it dies you. I hate you. It fell on the floor.
I know. I got it. Don't worry. Does it die in your hands?
I don't know. Don't ask me. I hate you. It's not in my hand.
So we're just gonna start mixing mine. I'm not gonna do it with my hands. 'Cause I have-
Ivana, no joke.
Show them. God. Over. Look at. Stop. I'm not. Look at. It's already mixed either way. So.
I hate you.
You're so loud, Josh.
Dad, look what Mama made me do.
Hey, I didn't make you.
It dyed my hand.
Wash it.
I
You did.
can't.
You have to wait till later on when you take a shower. Sorry, bud.
You kidding me?
Yeah.
I hate you.
I hate you too. Don't worry. You're not. It's not the end of the world. So show them the color of your. It looks so ugly. It's actually a green. Oh my gosh.
What? The glitter reminded you of something?
Pink glitter.
I think I'm covering it.
No, don't put white on it. Color it.
I want to cover it, baby.
No.
I said cover it.
Take that.
This looks more better. Now I can't see it. But I hate you still because you dyed my hand. It's actually going right. Look.
Exactly, so you better stay.
Okay, stop. It's making it sticky.
Exactly. So guys, I think Lucas is gonna need some more activator, and I need just a little bit of
You're a
activator.
nightmare.
So just like,
Give me!
you want more die? Die.
You're gonna die. Die. You'll die.
So I just need a little bit. I'm just gonna use the leftover Lucas's. Okay, so this is so far the color of my slime.
Mine is
It's like a
actually
pink, but I think I'm gonna add another drop of red. So right, Lucas, let's go. Look. 2 drops of red. 3.
Let's try to do one. Remember in the Shocking movie? He said put 1 sugar.
Oh my god, the sugar. Oh my gosh, I dyed my hands. Oh no, I didn't. Look, Lucas. Okay, yeah. Look. Should I put my finger in it or no?
Yeah. I dare you to.
Oh, that's a bit. No, it's gonna make brown.
I hate you.
I'm not putting my finger in this for sure.
You have to, because you did it to me.
Does it look like I care?
Look, you died. Do it, because you.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Do it.
Ah.
Is it noisy?
Done.
Done!
I'm just kidding. I can get that off really easily. This is supposed to be like a blood red slime, but I think I need some activator. Lucas, need some activator?
Yeah, I'm really good.
I already told you I'm in charge of the activator.
Comment down below which one's cool.
So we can't put too much activator because what happens if we add too much activator? overactivated. Oh, good.
I'm not supposed to be like that.
Well, that's why I'm mad a lot. That's why I said I'm in charge of the activator. I'm basically in charge of everything. You're just in charge of the mixing your slime.
I think mine should come
Oh,
out
also, guys,
now.
we're actually selling slime in our neighborhood, so later on.
Guys, should I dip out mine?
No, you need to keep stirring until it comes off.
It doesn't
what I do
roll.
when I'm stirring.
That's it.
No, you can't.
It doesn't. It isn't letting me get it all of it out. Cause all the dye.
No, because you're not mixing that good.
It's so hard.
It's not that hard, though. This is why I'm going to take off the spoon. I'm going to take off that spoon. I'll clean that spoon later with the slime. And then I'm going to grab that activator and ting. And then I'm going to mix like this. So now my spoon's going to be activated. And then it'll activate my slime. Okay, so now I think I am going to put my hands in because mine is starting to like get off the side of the bowl. But Lucas's is not. I think he needs still to mix. So.
I need some help.
Guys, if you guys see every slime class, I literally had to help him.
Yeah, it's true. I'm not that good.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I think we're going to play. So, the next video, stay tuned for our slime parts. Because the next video, we're actually going to be making some, we're going to do games. So, yeah, stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
So, we're going to hurry up to finish this so that you guys can.
See the
See
next
next
video.
video.
Cause everybody
So
who
this
makes
is my
videos
slime.
with games actually wish them hurry up.
Hurry up. Okay, so this is my slime right here, the red watermelon slime. And this is Lucas's slime. I'm not going to grab all of it out. I'm gonna
This is
grab
my
some
green
out.
apple slime.
Yes, this is green apple slime. This is the green apple slime. So we're going to do ASMR with Lucas's slime this time. So let's be very quiet. So let's go. Oh, nice ASMR transaction. Hey! Stop snoring! Yes.
Okay, guys. 1 second. My sister will tell you everything.
So this is the end of the video. See you guys the next video.